Today, I'm going to recreate the Starbucks medicine ball from scratch using just a few simple ingredients. Can I nail that cozy flavor? The medicine ball is one of those beloved Starbucks drinks, especially during cold and flu season. But sometimes, it's not always convenient or affordable to grab one. So, let's make it at home. Replicating Starbucks drinks can be tricky. For example, making a pumpkin spice latte from scratch isn't easy. But despite the challenges, many are recreating their favorite drinks at home. I'm here to share my take on the medicine ball with you. So, are you ready to make your own medicine ball? To make this drink, you'll need peach tea bags, green tea bags, lemon juice, honey, and water. That's it. Let's get started. Start by brewing your peach and green tea bags in hot water for 3 to 4 minutes. Remove the tea bags, then stir in honey to taste. I like raw honey for extra sweetness. Next, add freshly squeezed lemon juice. It's tricky to balance the sweetness of honey and tartness of lemon, but 1 to 2 tablespoons should work. The key part is getting the right balance between the tea, lemon, and honey. If you want it sweeter, add more honey. Want it tangier, add more lemon juice. For a secret twist, try adding a pinch of citric acid powder. It adds a tangy kick that really brings the flavors together. To recap, you'll need peach tea bags, green tea bags, lemon juice, honey, water, and a pinch of citric acid powder. Brew the tea, add honey and lemon juice, and adjust to taste. It's surprisingly easy to make and totally customizable. Want more sweetness? Add honey. Want more tang? Add lemon. Thanks for tuning in. If you try this recipe, let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more drink recipes and tips. See you next time.